Story: The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Once there was a man who sold caps. He carried many caps in a basket on his head. He was a cap seller. One day he slept under a tree. There were monkeys on the tree. They came down from the tree. They took away all the caps. The cap seller woke up. He saw the basket was empty. He looked around and above. The monkeys were wearing his caps. The cap seller shook his fists at the monkeys. They also did the same. The cap seller scratched his head. The monkeys did the same. The cap seller had an idea. He took off his cap and threw it into the empty basket. The monkeys also did the same. The cap seller got all his caps back and went away happily.